हेलो डियर फ्रेंड्स। तो यहाँ पे अभी इम्पॉर्टेंट अपडेट आ गया है फ्रॉम द डिवीज़न ऑफ केरला हाई कोर्ट। सो केरला हाई कोर्ट की जो अभी डिवीज़न है दोस्तों, वहाँ पे एक इम्पॉर्टेंट अपडेट आ गया है फॉर द पास्ट एंड फ्यूचर पेंशनर्स। उनके जो हित में जो अभी ऑर्डर रिलीज़ हुआ है उसको आप लोगों के साथ दोस्तों यहाँ पे शेयर करने लगे हैं। एग्जैक्ट ऑर्डर की कॉपी आपके सामने यहाँ पे स्क्रीन के ऊपर दोस्तों बता दिया हमने। तो एग्जैक्टली तो अभी सिंडिकेट बैंक आस्क टू पे पेंशन टू श्री के ए पद्मन वन, जो कि क्लरिकल में रिटायर्ड हुए हैं ऑन 30 अप्रैल 2010। तो इसमें जो डिवीज़न बेंच ऑफ केरला हाई कोर्ट है कंप्राइजिंग श्री ए के उन डायरेक्ट पेमेंट ऑफ पेंशन टू द एप्लीकेंट yesterday 22nd December. So the petition is all about granting an option for pension to future retirees and past retirees on the basis of industry-wide settlement dated 27। तो फ्यूचर रिटायरीज को दोस्तों यहाँ पे करना पड़ेगा, हैड टू पे टू पेंशन फंड ऑफ बैंक 2.8 टाइम्स देयर पे फॉर नवंबर 2007 आउट ऑफ द सैलरी एरियर्स, give an undertaking to transfer their CPF balance with the bank to the pension fund of the bank and submit a letter of option before the date stipulated therefore by the बैंक। और जो पास्ट रिटायरीज हैं उन्हें रिफंड करना होगा, रिफंड द CPF सेटल्ड टू देम एट द टाइम ऑफ रिटायरमेंट एंड एन एडिशनल सम ऑफ 56% ऑफ इट टू द पेंशन फंड ऑन और बिफोर द डेट फिक्स्ड फॉर द रिफंड बाय द बैंक, और एक्सरसाइज एन ऑप्शन फॉर पेंशन बिफोर द डेट फिक्स्ड therefore by the bank। So the petitioner who retired on 30th April 2010 was a future retiree and was to comply with the requirement 1, 2 and 3 of the former set of conditions। जो petitioner थे submitted the his option on 17th of October 2010 before the last date of 15 November। The bank recovered a sum of 62,440 rupees, that is 2.8 times pay of November 2007 on 23rd of June 2010 out of the salary arrears paid to the petitioner। So the letter of option contained an undertaking to transfer the CPF of the employees to the pension fund। Thus he fulfilled the three conditions applicable to him and the right of pension crystallized in his favor। तो अभी वो इसकी फेवर में दोस्तों यहाँ पे क्रिस्टलाइज हो गया है। द बैंक डिनाइड हिम पेंशन on a wrong ground that the future retirees did not refund the CPF and 56% of it before 15 December 2010, which was condition applicable to past retirees. Through the bank was to retain with it the CPF and interest payable for transfer to pension fund. So the bank releases it to the petitioner on 3rd May 2010, 3 days after his retirement. This, the earnest release of CPF by the bank was the epicenter of the entire untoward happenings। तो यहाँ पे ये रहा दोस्तों। So the petitioner would have been eligible for the benefits of the scheme if he had submitted an option and refunded the amount of the employer's contribution to EPF within the time prescribed। However, no option was submitted by the petitioner in time। So the observation that the petitioner would have been eligible for the benefits of scheme if he had submitted an option within the time prescribed was wrong to the extent the last date for option was 15 November 2020 and the petitioner had given him his option on 17th of October 2010। So इसमें जो important है, the second portion of observation that the pensioners would have been eligible for the benefits of scheme if he had refunded the amount of the employer's contribution to EPF within the time prescribed was wrong, as the refund of the employer's contribution to EPF on or before 15 December 2020 is in a condition applicable to the past retirees and not to the petitioners जो कि फ्यूचर रिटायरीज हैं दोस्तों। तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं the demand of the bank was void against the petitioner as he was a future retiree and was to pay only 2.8 times his revised pay for November 2007 in terms of settlement on pension and not to refund the CPF। So the settlement provided for refund of CPF and 56% of it to pension fund even for the past retirees and does not provide for payment of up to date interest or any other EPF on salary arrears. So bank was imposing the condition applicable to past retirees to the pensioners who is future retiree in terms of the settlement and claiming from him. Then CPF wrongly paid to him on 3rd May 2010 with extraneous sum not specified in the settlement. So यहाँ पे आप दोस्तों इसको अगर पढ़ना है तो आप यहाँ पे स्क्रीन को दोस्तों यहाँ पे प्रॉपरली पढ़ सकते हैं, स्क्रीन को पॉज करके एग्जैक्ट है क्या यहाँ पे। सो दिस वाज दी अपडेट रिगार्डिंग जो अभी हमें रिसीव हुई है फ्रॉम द सोर्स। सिंडिकेट बैंक को अभी आस्क कर रहा है टू पे द पेंशन टू श्री जो कि क्लरिकल रिटायर्ड हुए ऑन 30th April 2010. So that's all for the session. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel and please share the video among other dear respected pensioners.